Hello everyone, it is Charity Ohlund with Fountain Mortgage, and I am back this week for a quick, tiny, future-proof COVID-19 edition. We've been doing this series since we've been home, continuing the series that we started in 2019, and that is just a series for real estate agents in the age of disruption. In 2019, as I said a few weeks ago, we did not know how disrupted we would be in 2020, but we're just here to have a few conversations to share with you things that we're doing in our business during this time of isolation, and hopefully share some ideas with you. Thanks to all of you who have reached out and let me know what you're doing in your business, what's working for you, and keeping that conversation going. Speaking of conversation, that's what I want to talk about today. Hopefully we can get through a conversation. Is anyone else feeling like that at home? You can see today I have a chair blocking my door, hoping that my kids don't barge in on this, as they have barged in on calls and Zoom meetings all morning. So quickly, the conversation piece is something we should all be doing in our businesses all the time, not just during COVID, but we want to always be looking for ways to switch from that salesperson to that trusted advisor, someone that is going to be more like a consultant, more of a friend, more of an ear, an advocate to our clients. And how can we do that? So one idea is something that we're going to be launching later this week is having to do with refis. I know that agents don't care about refinancing. That's not the point, the subject of this, but just the format of this is what I thought I might share with you today. We just want to be there when people are ready. And so we want to have already talked to them, already have given them advice, given them consultation. So how are ways that we are doing that? One thing that we've come up with is a landing page for refinancing information. 4 graphic tiles. One might say, I need a lower rate. The second one might say, I need to reduce my term. I want to go from a 30-year to maybe a 15 or 20-year loan. The third one might say, I need to access some cash. I need to get cash out of the equity in my home to help me through this financially trying time. And the fourth one is going to say, I don't know what I need. I just want to talk to someone about it. So what we're hoping to do with these is launch these on social media, have a landing page on our site and on each individual loan officer's site for their website, just to start that conversation. If someone clicks on one of these 4 tiles, there'll be some information there for them, a short video from a loan officer explaining to them that portion of refinancing, and then a way to gather their information and a time slot so that we can schedule with them. So how are we going to do that? We'll launch these questions to our followers, and hopefully they see one that resonates with them. If they click on that, they'll get the information, the video, and then we're going to ask them to schedule a time to talk with us. You can do that using Calendly. If you look at that, it's a free app that you can plug in your calendar and people can schedule phone calls and meetings with you online on your schedule, so they can book right there. They'll enter their name and phone number. So just to collect some information to start those conversations, because when everything goes back to normal, if there is a normal anymore, or maybe goes back to a new normal, we will have positioned ourselves as the experts, as the advocates, and as the trusted advisors during this time. So think about 4 questions that you often get from either listers or sellers. How is COVID affecting the value of my home? Maybe that's one of your 4 squares. Can I expect less competition as a buyer during this time? What else are people asking out there? Is it harder to qualify for a loan? Maybe you put these questions out there on your social media, send them to a landing page, get that conversation started, and be that person that's there for them when they are ready, that has already provided them with the value that they're looking for and the insight that only you can provide. I hope all of you are doing super well. You're staying healthy and staying sane during this time. And again, I hope to see all of you very soon.